Hello, and welcome to your quick and easy how to generate your new MergedAnalytics canned report. This powerful report will provide actionable intelligence. It will help spot patterns and trends. It'll tell you who's visiting your site and what their specific interests are. It'll help assign lead scores. It'll identify which social media messages are resonating with specific audiences, which social media platforms are performing or underperforming. It'll help with A/B testing and much, much more. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is you want to log into your MergedAnalytics portal. Once you're in your portal, you can select a report type, a report time frame, and then you want to select a report to download. Let's download a US only report, and just like that, easy peasy lemon squeezy, we now have a newly formatted MergedAnalytics canned report for your review and action. If you have any questions, please give MergedAnalytics a call. Thanks, have a great day, and stay productive.